Sometimes when you look into someone's eyes, not every time, but sometimes when it is about some intense emotions, you can tell what's going on in his mind. Is he happy? Is he sad? Is he going to laugh? Is he going to cry? Is he going to suddenly attack you? All these intense kind of emotions are usually visible if you look into somebody's eyes. And this is true for martial arts also. If you just look closely in my eyes, धुम तननन धुम तननन धुम तनन आँखों की ऐसे नहीं देखने को बोला मार्शल आर्ट्स कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे. Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about how you can look into somebody's eyes and most of the time you can tell whether they are going to get violent or something else, some intense emotions. Not like if somebody is random standing like that, you can't tell what's going on inside, but suddenly you might have noticed this yourself, like police officers, like they're doing all these things, they're judging the person by looking into their eyes. What do you think is the reason behind these commandos and security forces officers covering their eyes with some black goggles? Of course, protecting from the sun, and they look good, plus nobody should see what's going on inside them. If they're standing in front of a crowd, everybody should feel that he's looking at me, right? Nobody sees you're afraid, nobody sees you're confused, nobody sees whether you're vigilant or not. So that's actually very advantageous. Advantage से याद आया, our content is now available on Bujin TV. What is Bujin TV? It is an international platform for martial arts content. इसमें आपको वर्ल्ड फेमस टीचर्स के और वर्ल्ड फेमस मार्शल आर्ट्स का एकदम जेन्युइन वाला कंटेंट आपको उधर मिलेगा. इट इज द नेटफ्लिक्स ऑफ मार्शल आर्ट्स, राइट? वहां पे हमारे जैसे बहुत सारे लोगों के वीडियोस, डिफरेंट मार्शल आर्ट्स, जापानीज मार्शल आर्ट्स, ट्रेडिशनल मार्शल आर्ट्स के बहुत सारे वीडियोस. दिस इज लाइक अ स्पेसिफिक एक्सक्लूसिव कंटेंट फॉर martial art lovers. So Bujin TV link is in description. Just go there and use promo code Karate TV to get first month free subscription. So the same concept can be used in self-defense also. If you just look at somebody, you most of the time you will know that they are planning to do something or not. Are they going to hit you? Is that person going to run away from you? So most of these intense kind of things before a fight breaks out, this is more self-defense kind of thing. Most of the people, you are out there in the comment section already telling that this magic does not work with MMA fighters. Of course, even if I know that he's going to attack me, he will still attack me. He's a better fighter than me. To survive in a fight, you need to learn how to fight. But this is more of a self-defense kind of thing. इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने. मैं कहना ये चाह रहा हूँ कि जब आप देखते हैं किसी की आँख में, तो क्या होता है कि आप देख पाते हैं. So like if self-defense kind of situation, okay. Yes, थोड़ा सा. ये नया वाला मैंने खरीदा था. Just have a look at my new ring and you see, you were focusing on the finger and I did something else because your eyes were over here on a specific target. Like in self-defense, if somebody has a knife, you are just looking at that knife and यार लग जाएगी. Thing is, you're not looking at the whole. You're not using your what do you call peripheral vision. You're not using all the, like if I just open my eyes, I can see this whole plane. मम्मी का स्कूटर यहाँ पे है, उधर मम्मी पता नहीं क्या ब्रेड खा रही, क्या गेहूं कौन खाता है कच्चा, एक सेकंड. So मतलब I can see everything from here. So that is what you need to develop. This is for fighting and looking into the eyes is for self-defense. So we can try this yourself, just like a first person experience. I am standing in front of you, आपके सामने खड़े हैं. Just focus on over here, just focus over here. And you don't know when I used the other hand. Now the thing is, if the same exercise we are doing, just look into my eyes. And now the same thing we are going to do. You can see whatever I am doing. There is no blind spot for me. आप कहीं और देख रहे थे तो मैंने यहाँ से मारा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, राइट? क्योंकि आप एक तो आंख में देख रहे हैं and eyes you can judge a person whether what is going on inside. वो थोड़ा psychological बात हो गई. बाकी you are looking at everything. So anyway, you will not miss any movement. Plus you are looking into the eyes. You are looking at everything. You are just focusing on a middle or center kind of point from here, and every other thing is visible. That is number one. And number two, you are looking into the eyes. So what's going on inside, psychological type वाली चीजें भी हो रही है. So you are having that advantage, you know what's going on inside, plus you are having a whole view. So wherever you are, pause the video. अभी नहीं, इसके बाद pause the video and just look at one single straight point in front of you, and not only focusing on that, you can see every other thing right from here, like this whole thing you can see. Just try it out. But this technique is not very applicable when the fight has already started, or you are doing some kind of a close range fighting, boxing, wrestling, grappling. All this will not work over there. It is not very applicable. Why? क्योंकि जब हम किसी के एकदम पास खड़े हैं और फाइट हो ही रही है, तो मेरे को उसका साइकोलॉजी देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. प्लस इफ आई एम फाइटिंग समबडी टॉलर देन मी, everybody in the world is taller than me, मैं बहुत छोटा हूँ. Anyway, if I'm fighting somebody taller and stronger than me, to look into his eyes I need to do this, and I just lifted my jaw. Chin down is the first principle, right? No, इतना भी strong नहीं है, फिर भी chin down is like it will prevent all kinds of injuries. You have to open up your guard and you will have to see into somebody's eyes. This is not very good when you are very close and fight is already happening. Right, you don't need that psychological kind of warfare when somebody is like in a boxing range or you're doing some kind of a grappling. So maybe with a good guard, even if you're not looking at his face, I'm just looking at his chest or stomach, even that is enough. I get a full view of whatever is going to come. So next time when you're sparring with your friends, don't try this. Don't try to look into their eyes. But when the fight starts, when you are at a distance, and sometimes they are trying to go for some kind of a combination, they are trying to do a spinning kick or something that takes some planning. अगर मैं आपको ऐसा यहाँ से कुछ fancy spinning tornado kick or something, if I am trying to do something like that, I have to plan it, right? Because it is not that natural, just like a punch or a block or a front kick. It is not that natural. When I need to do some big movements from a long range, that time if you look into the eyes, maybe underline, maybe you understand that something is going to happen. Fear, anxiety, or maybe laughter or anything is first reflected in your eyes. If you're kind of afraid or you're stressed, you won't start sweating and shaking. First, it will be visible in your eyes. If somebody is trying to hide their eyes, like maybe they're trying to lie. So ये सब थोड़ा साइकोलॉजिकल टाइप वाली चीजें हो जाती हैं, लेकिन इसको सेल्फ डिफेंस में यूज आप कर सकते हैं. आज ही जाइए, लोगों की आंखों में आंखें डाल के नहीं, वैसे नहीं. So that's all for today. Try to use this. Not everywhere, nothing works all the time. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Kalari DHOTI. If you like what I'm wearing, I know you like what I'm wearing. है ना? मैं पसंद नहीं आ रहा वो अलग बात है. This, if you want to order, you can order online. Link is in description. कराटे टीवी ऑनलाइन क्लास, ये कराटे टीवी की ऑनलाइन क्लास चलती है यहाँ पे, कराटे वाली देखिए ऑनलाइन क्लास है. ओके, एनीवे, लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन इफ यू वांट टू जॉइन कराटे टीवी ऑनलाइन क्लास. छोटा वाला चैनल है कराटे टीवी वाले भैया, उसको भी सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा आपको. नहीं भी करोगे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बट जस्ट चेक इट आउट. न्यू चैनल, न्यू नहीं है, बहुत टाइम से मैं बोल की मतलब गला सूख गया हमारा. उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कर लो ना, एक बार देख तो लो, लाइक ही करके जोड़ दो, क्या जाएगा. एनीवे, फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, विजिट आवर वेबसाइट कराटे टीवी वाले भैया. और क्या हो सकता है, बस. कहाँ है आंखें, कहाँ है तुम्हारी आंखें, दिखाओ. यस, क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारे अंदर, साथी कहाँ है तुम्हारे. हमें कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है इसकी आंखों में.